Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keys. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to play handbass for worship on keyboard. I will use this very song. I got this an awesome God he raised. I'm going to play it now, then I'll pause it along the line, then I'll explain further. Song I started with my six, which is my La. By the way, I'm not leave it on the key of F. For general understand, because most people play the F and the C. In my next tutorial, I'm going to do it on C. So the progression of this very song, I got my La is a Na, so your Do, your Sol. Me on the left and saw on the right. I will explain it further. Far, God, is and us and your light. Anyone. So that's the progression. The number pattern is your 6. Then your 4, your 1, your 5, your 6, 5, 4. So it's very simple, well explained here. So I played this very song. On your left, you maintain. I was doing something like some freestyle, something like this. So see how I played it. The focus is on the bass. Once you play your La, your La Sol. You understand? From the beginning. Your family, then your laugh, so then your laugh, so it's very simple. You just have to know how to use your fingers on your left. Once you do anything you are doing on your left, make sure you return to the root chord of the chord you're playing, the root of it. You understand? If you're on Do and you're doing any kind of style, make sure to return on the Do. If you're La and you're doing anything, make sure to return on La. That's the main thing with playing the hand bass on keyboard. So again. You got this, you can add something like this. That place you're supposed to play your la, so, fa. You can do something like re, re, la, le, so, re, fa. You can add this to it. So again, Aga is an awesome. Just like re, ra, le, so, mi, fa. Again, Aga is an awesome God. Just add it. You see? So this is how to play your handbass on keyboard for this very song. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns. So I'm going to play with the beats now, then we call it a tutorial. On my next tutorial, I'm going to do it on C because I've gotten a lot of requests to do this very tutorial on C. So if you want to master it, just try to replay this very tutorial over and over again and you will get it. Please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to this very channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you guys. God bless.